Good afternoon to all. Respected dignitaries, participants, ladies and gentlemen. It's Dr. S.V.Gorabal, Principal, Jain College of Engineering and Research, Udyambag, Belagavi. Thank you very much for inviting me to deliver the valedictory address at the International Conference on Emerging Technology, INCET-2020. As per our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, IT plus IT is equal to IT. Indian technology plus Indian talents, you see India tomorrow. Like that, INCET 2020 had given a great platform to present their skill, knowledge, and how to use that technology efficiently. In the present system, technology has been given a prominent place. India believes that technology can play a major role in resolving the problems of developing countries as well as global issues. For this conference, we received 1,200 papers across the globe, out of which 242 papers were selected by the reviewing committee. The papers presented in the conference and addressed by eminent speakers are really very useful for young engineers and researchers to solve the real life of problems, and it guides how to proceed in the research works in the right direction. Had the chance to go through some of the papers and listen to some of the presentations and discussions in this conference has been that India is more active even as the world is changing. Many experts feel that India should take on greater regional and global responsibilities. But this conference has deliberated over these and related questions. Some of the questions raised in the last 3 days of deliberations might be answered if we examine the emerging trends in India's regional and global approach. Dr. Karsita Basar, Honorable Vice Chancellor of VTU and Chief Guest of the program, had addressed in the inauguration session. Sir said, the world is pursued as full of challenges and opportunities. We have to think how to solve the problems, how to use the opportunities, and also how to convert these problems into opportunities. He further adds that from COVID-19, we have learned many things, like how to use the virtual technology in critical situations. INCET 2020 conference is a live example. Some of the topics covered in the conference about the challenges of terrorism, space, cyber, energy security, it's really useful and relevant in these testing times of world order. Our keynote speakers, Dr. Vinit Kotak, Vice Chair IEEE Bombay section, clearly states in his speech how robots should be used in the critical and medical field and how to use the technology in different situations like COVID-19. The uses of unmanned vehicles, automatic guided vehicles, and how to interface them and their applications. This session was very interesting and useful. Dr. Chanakya Kumar Jha, Vice Chair, HAC, IEEE India Council, graced the occasion and delivered the distinguished lecture. On day 2, we had the opportunity of being an audience for the distinguished lecturers by Dr. D.Z. Balke, AISS MSE Pune, and Dr. Basavaraj S. Anami, Principal KLIT Hubballi. Dr. D.Z. Balke gave us very important insights on voice recognition. Dr. Basavaraj S. Anami directed and deliberated on artificial intelligence, machine learning algorithms and their types and applications. On day 3, we had the opportunity of listening to the most renowned researchers, Dr. Lance Fung, Professor Emirates, Mudroch University, Australia, Dr. Hussain, Mahdi, Dayala University, Iraq, Mr. Aleksandar, University of Sarajevo, South Europe. They spoke extensively on the hot topics of the day, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics, and other relevant topics which foster technological innovation and excellence for the benefit of humanity, which I believe is also the core purpose of IEEE. Although the conference was held virtually because of the COVID-19 situation, I am pleased and overwhelmed by the response and reach this conference in attracting the researchers at national and international level. I thank the management, Jain Group of Institutions, our beloved chairman, Sri Chandra Jain, JCER North Karnataka Director, Dharavadkar Sir, Sri Radhesham Sir, and Professor Uday Chandra Sir, and the dignitaries, participants, colleagues, media persons, and students for actively participating in the conference. I would like to extend my special thanks to Mr. Chanikya Jha, Vice Chair IEEE, Mr. Harish Patil from IEEE, Dr. K.J. Vishwanath, Principal and Director, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi, and Professor Praveen Chitin, Dean Academics, JCE, and Professor Mantesh LME, Dean Academics, JCER, Belagavi, Professor Sridhar Keliati, Hubli, and all the coordinators. I thank each and everyone who has contributed directly or indirectly in making this conference a grand success. I hope this conference has opened the gates of imagination and the treasure of knowledge which will help us build a better world by collaborating and moving in right direction for a better tomorrow. Thank you one and all.